In the process of learning about the rational numbers, plotting them on number line is the important one. I am here to show you how to proceed with that. So far we have used numbers to represent quantity like one baseball, 4 kittens, 9 balloons. So we have used or associated a number to count some quantity. So how do we visualize a number? Numbers can be visualized as distances do. You have already seen a scale or measuring tape, a thermometer you are much familiar with. The numbers here actually represent the distance from the starting point. This one is called the distance from the starting point, and this starting point is what we call as origin. Similarly, to visualize numbers mathematically as distances, we have a number line. On a number line, again the point from where we call that as origin, and the distance from origin to the first number, which is number 1, is called as unit distance. And the second number would be, if you add this unit distance 2 times, you get number 2, and adding it 3 times gives you number 3, and so on. This is how we represent whole numbers. This 0 is origin as the whole numbers start from 0, and the right arrow shows us that the whole numbers are infinite. This is the natural number line starting from 1, which is also never ending. And we have integers which consist of positive and negative numbers including 0. Towards left side of the 0 we have negative integers, and the right side we mark positive integers. The arrow marks on both the sides show us that the negative and positive integers are infinite. Hey, you know the pictorial representation of fractions. The first picture shows us that the 1/8 of the wheel is colored in red. The second one represents a fraction 5/9. This type of charts you have made in your earlier classes to represent fractions, isn't it? Let us see how do we visualize fractions on number line. Before that, don't you want to know the uses of number line? Number lines help us see fractions as not only parts of whole or parts of a set, but as part of distance or part of time. They help us compare fractions. Number lines help us find equivalent fractions, and these number lines help us see a fraction as a number that comes between two whole numbers.